Ooh, I'm excited.
Listen to my heart go it just won't stop you.
Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to try a Bantu knot out again. Or if you're from the islands, we call it Chiny bumps, but I'm not here to do the debate. Whatever you want to call it, Chiny bumps, Bantu knots, that's what we're doing today. So if you're an OG, you saw me do this video maybe a year and a half ago, 2 years, I don't know. This is when my hair was black, it was a bit shorter. It was just low-key a fail. It just didn't come out the way I thought it was supposed to look, and it was a fail. I am not gonna leave the house like this. So we're trying it again. We are trying it again. I've been getting a few requests to try it again, so here we are. Now, I am not starting on freshly washed hair. As you can see, I am being lazy. I was gonna wash my hair, and then I was like, actually, I'd rather just not. We're gonna do this on an old braid out. Now, this is my braid out from a week ago. It's been through some things, but we're gonna revive her and give her a new style. I've seen some videos where people do it on dry hair. Some people will do it on wet hair. I've seen the best results come from wet hair. So I'm just going to detangle my hair, and then throughout my twists, Bantu knots, I'm gonna use my spray bottle to dampen up my hair. I'm gonna detangle my hair a little bit and put some leave-in conditioner in there. I know I'm doing it on dirty hair, but I just will feel better if I have some type of moisture on my hair because it's pretty dry right now. And I'll be right back. Alright, so my hair is fully detangled. It's good as new. It looks like I just washed it. It feels juicy again. It's not dry no more. I am going to begin my Bantu knots. So, what you're gonna need, some hair clips, maybe a comb and a brush. I got my Denman brush here to make sure my parts are very detangled. And I may or may not use bobby pins to make sure that the Bantu knot is secured at the end or at the top, because sometimes they do tend to unravel and it just messes up the whole thing. So you guys know my rule of thumb kind of to get like the perfect hairstyle is if your hair is shorter, do smaller sections, and if your hair is longer, you can kind of figure out whatever type of section you want. But I do suggest the shorter your hair, the smaller your sections are, just to get the curl pattern that you're looking for. I'm really not 100% sure what curl pattern I'm looking for, if I want to do big curls or small curls, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna do like medium size. I always choose medium size, so let's go with the medium size. I'm just gonna do a section back here. Alright, so my first piece is gonna be this size. I'm gonna spritz my hair with water again just because I want it to be pretty damp since I was starting off on dry hair. Okay, so for my styler, I'm trying something different, the Pure Honey Curl Activator. So I'll put that on there, detangle my hair. I'm going to twist my hair. The last time that I did a Bantu knot out tutorial, I didn't twist my hair. Let me give you an example of what I think I did wrong last time. It works for some people, but for me it didn't work. So for me, last time I was twisting my hair like this and then putting it around. But this time, I'm actually going to do a 2-strand twist. So I have a 2-strand twist here, and then I'm gonna wrap it around my head up here. I don't know if you can see this. This is what it should look like when you're done. So I don't know, you guys, I'm feeling good about this time around. I feel like this one's gonna come out good. It doesn't feel too tight. I feel like I might even be able to sleep in these joints. So I'm pretty excited. So I am just going to go throughout my head and do the same exact thing. Spritz with water, detangle, add my product. Then I'm gonna twist my hair down. So once you have your twist, you can see here, then I'm just going to kind of twirl it around my finger and then make a Bantu knot around itself. So I'm making sure not to wrap it too tight, especially when you're starting off, because then it makes it harder for you to ravel the hair underneath it. But my biggest concern is making sure I am able to sleep tonight. I'm trying to get some sleep. So I don't feel like it's necessary for me to use my bobby pins as of yet because they're staying on their own, but that's just so far. So we have these two. Now I'm just about to go ham, go crazy on the rest of my hair. Alright guys, so I'm all done with my Bantu knots. I'm going to count how many I have in my head for you guys because I know somebody is going to ask. But I know for a fact I have 6 in the back and then 6 in the back on this side as well. So that's 12. 24 Bantu knots in my head. I am going to eventually sit under the dryer before the night ends. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do. And then I will be back tomorrow. Y'all please, fingers crossed, send up a prayer for me because last time I did this, as y'all seen, it did not come out the way I wanted to, so I'm really hoping that this one does. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hey guys, so it's the next day, pretty much 24 hours later. I did sit under a dryer for about an hour and a half, and I'm just praying that these are dry and it's just please. I'm praying that it's gonna be good. So I'm just gonna take some oil on my hands. This is oil from the Pantene Gold series. It's the Intense Hydrating Oil. They just sent me a whole bunch of products, so this is my first time using this. And it smells good. Put it on my hands and then I'm just going to take them down. Twist them the opposite direction of how you applied them and then just pull. Sis, I don't know what's going on with this one here. I probably should have split this one in half. Just gonna take these all out. Some of these are not dry. So these are what these look like over here. Okay, so they're all out. Not bad so far. I'm a little nervous because this one didn't dry all the way. But I don't know if I should do it to the side or keep it in the middle. We're gonna keep it in the middle. So now I'm going to start unraveling them. Alright, so let me just say, this is already turning out way better than my last attempt. And I love, like, the color, it just looks so good. My only problem right now is that my hair is not fully dry. I'm afraid that once I start separating, my hair is gonna just get frizzy. But now I'm just gonna go sit under the dryer really quick for maybe like 30 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't frizz out my hair. I'm not sure what it's gonna do actually. I don't know if this is a good idea or a bad one. Okay, so I went ahead and just sat underneath a hooded dryer and now it's time to separate. bad. I really kind of like this. It's nice and full. Okay, I'm just fluff it out real quick. Give me a little bit more volume. Yeah, that's good. This is the final look, you guys. Yeah, anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, really quick, you guys, I just want to show you this little optional hairstyle that I did off camera because I still wasn't feeling it 100%. So I just did 2 little twists right here and then I pinned them up. So if you see my Instagram pictures with my hair like this, literally what I did. You know what, I'm just gonna redo it right now just to show you guys. Girl!
Look.
So it was like this before. Huh?
Look.
Pretty. And I literally just
Yeah. No.
twisted it back like that, and then I took a bobby pin and I'm just pinning it right here. And then oh my gosh, say hi. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video of me doing Pia's hair. This is my niece and her hair needs to be done. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of her curly hair routine. So that's just literally what I did on both sides. So anyways, I just wanted to do that because I know on my Instagram pictures you guys are probably gonna ask. So I just wanted to show that to you guys really quick. Yay! Thank you. All right.